cheesy ham quesadillas. You start with your first layer of your tortilla and you put your cheese on. Turn your stove on. Wait for your cheese to melt. And your ham. And some more cheese. Try to get it out to the sides because, you know, who doesn't like cheese? And then you get your second tortilla. Place that right on top. Let that melt down and then you'll be able to flip her over and then we'll show you the end results. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more food videos. And here they are, looking beautiful. The kids are gonna have a great lunch today.